Alright guys, we are set up at Buffalo Gap. We've got the ultimate turkey roaster, got a mallard grill, got a little import grill. We'll start out with skillets, go small, move around. We'll get to more of the collectible stuff down this way. Got some Wapaks, some Wagners, Griswolds. Got the bass over there, the Made in America. And we got a big 020 right there, tahine there, a couple of lodges. We'll get into our baking stuff. It's a cool little Christmas pan. We got a couple old Wagners back there, and then Blacklock, and then we got some fryers in the front, lodges in the back. Got a couple pretty enameled ones. Got 3 new 5 quarts. Got a little Wagner there, little stuff. And then got our sign. And then we spin around like this. Hope nobody gets sick. But we've got our camp ovens. So hopefully we have a good day.